out there. As they're digging the deep holes, they're piling dirt in front of the pan on the sled, and they got to drag all that extra dirt after him. So he has the brand new, it's the latest thing, the double cut tires. There's twice as many cleats in his tires what there is on the conventional type, which we'll show you some of them when they come up later. Okay, he got the green flag. You see the white smoke? The RPM slowly coming up. Smoke getting a little darker. And he's looking for black smoke. Rich Lustig, he got it out of 84, Pennsylvania. No. Did you hear that little noise as he started to move? He might have a turbocharger that's going south. Luckily, he's a test puller. He possibly, if he wants to, can drop to the bottom of the class with McKay. Leon Overhalter. Again, the green flag is out. Watching for black smoke. He got it. The Persuader, AC D21 out of East Earl, Pennsylvania. It's not really that cloudy. They take off them tires, go spend another couple $1,000 and buy a new set and try a different tread design. And they got the other ones sitting at home. They're not worth nothing. They make good sandboxes, but how many sandboxes that size can you use? Mark Radish, recycled red, Greensburg, Pennsylvania. Looking for the black smoke. There it is. Recycled red. The green flag. As we said, this is part of the NTPA Copenhagen Skull Pulling Circuit. Right now, you got the white smoke, slowly bringing up the RPMs, waiting for black smoke, and he'll cut it loose. Jody Ross! Well, again, he's right there on the pile. I'll tell you, close competition here tonight. And we'll get the distance of Jody Ross and let you know what that is. Again, all of that, John Deere's going to be number one. You know what you guys told me up there? Yeah, they said it's going to happen. The green flag is out. They said it matches up with the tractor. That's why they do so well. Lewis McDonald, Harwood, Maryland. He got, not quite, he almost had black smoke. Now he got it. Boy, I don't know. Nope. Just never got them RPMs up. Now each puller does have 2 attempts. If they make an attempt to shut it down within the 75-foot mark. So now we'll pull him back. He has 1 more attempt. Wherever he stops at the next line again. His final attempt. The green flag is out for the John Deere. All you John Deere guys, what do you think? Oh my. Looking for a boost. I don't think it's going to happen. No, tough break. I think possibly he has some turbocharger problems. Just could never seem to get it cleaned out like he wanted it. Tough break for Lewis McDonald. Usually a very good run in John Deere. And like I said, this is a Pennsylvania-Maryland co-sanctioned event. Let's give him a damn ball, and Rich Lustig built this John Deere. In fact, Rich Lustig is doing the driving on it tonight. I think it's the first time he's ever driven. Is that right, Kevin? First time? Yeah. Are you nervous? What if he breaks it? Who pays for it? You didn't settle that yet, huh? So right now, like I said, Rich Lustig helped Kevin right there build this tractor. And I don't know if Kevin says I'm going to let you drive it or if Rich says I'm going to drive it. I don't know which way it was back there. But I'll tell you what, he is a good driver. The brand new 7800 series sheet metal from John Deere. I think he broke it already, Kevin. Where'd Kevin get to? Oh, right there. Did he break it already? He didn't. You don't seem worried about it. No, no big deal, huh? Can I drive it sometime? No. See, now he's worried. Okay, good looking tractor. From Bell, Pennsylvania, driving it tonight for the first time is Rich Lustig. In the hole will be Mike Stein. The green flag is out for Rich Lustig. Looking for black smoke. There it is, a John Deere 7800. Tractor, I'm telling you, good looking piece. I was talking about the price of those rear wheels. Look at them on there. You ladies can relate to this. You can see the tires in the back just a little bit smaller, but it weighs more. The gross weight on it is more, which definitely helps you out in pulling. And it equals it out right in the end, I'm telling you. Right now, the Super Moose, John Schuler, Somerset, Pennsylvania. I mean, that's only one turbocharger, but he thinks he weighs more. He's right up there with that super stock. The Super Moose, John Deere, 4955. So right now we got international. Mark Bradish number 1, the D21 Leon Oberholzer number 2, international Jody Ross number 3. That's the top 3 again. Watch this guy, the big red, Tommy Rickerson, up there. Competition. Boy, these guys are all within about gear. Watch this guy, Freddie Hildebrand, 60-30 John Deere. Here's a good one, John Deere, guys. Good run. I'm telling you, he's right there in the pile and not at the back end of the pile either. Good run. Perfect. See that fire out of that exhaust? Can you imagine how much fire was down inside that turbocharged engine? Green flag, the Super Stealer, Rich Lustig. Let's see if he can get boost built this time. Something definitely not right. Let's give him a big hand. A tough break. I'll tell you, a good looking piece, but running very strong all year. Rich Lustig.